Okay, the dog is going in trouble and it's raining. And please help me. Selene! Get out of there! Please! There she goes. Bye! Selene! Please! Get your booty back over here. Go potty. Please! No! Don't run away! Go potty! Go potty! Now! My phone is gonna get drenched. No, go potty! Go potty! She's in trouble all the time. Oh, she's peeing. What a good girl. There's a mocha. Come on! No, don't go see the chickens, no! No! Please! No! Selene! Get back! Come, let's go! Come on! Out! Good girl. Oh, good girl. That's the first time she listened to me. What a good girl. Selene! She does her own goddamn thing. Come here! No, don't go in the pond, please! Selene! Stop that! Hey! No, ma'am! No, ma'am! Come on! Let's go in! Come on! Let's go in! Selene! Don't go in the pond! Woman! Please! I don't want to drown dead puppy, please! Come on. No, we're going in. No, please. Selene, you can take shelter under bushes. I can't. Woman, come on. No pond, no pond, no pond. No, no. Selene, stop it. She's not gonna listen for... she's got something from the pond. Oh my god. Oh, we are in for a treat. We are in for a treat. Not the good kind of treat. A bad treat. Woman, don't you fool around this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Selene! Woman, come on, let's go in. Good girl, good girl. Yes, let's go in. No! Not over there! Woman, I'm gonna scoop you. You're getting scooped! Scooped! Don't you growl at me.